So imagine we have this line y equals x plus 5, and we want to cut off a portion of it. Imagine I want to cut off this portion from negative 5 to 5. There's two ways I can do it. I'll show you both of them. The first way is to cut off your x values. What are the x values that make up this portion of the line? Well, they're the x values between negative 5 and 0. More specifically, your graph exists in that portion when your x values are greater than or equal to negative 5 and less than or equal to 0. Kind of summarizing that, you want to start with your curly brackets. So one more time, you want to start with your curly brackets. You want to think about the values that your graph exists for in terms of x. So we said our graph exists when x values are greater than or equal to negative 5. And also for x values that are less than or equal to 0. That's one way of doing it. By the way, just for your reference, if you hit this button and that button, that's how you get your curly brackets. And for example, if you want to do the greater than or equal to symbol, you would hit this button first on your keyboard and then the equal sign. The other way of doing it is to think about your y values. So you can restrict your y values between 0 and positive 5. So you know that your y values have to be greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 5. So again, in summary, you can either restrict your x values or your y values. And the way you restrict them is with these curly brackets and using less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to symbols.